today I'm very excited. I'm going to show you this amazing Mercedes-AMG SL55. I want to say a big thank you to Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton for helping me make this video possible. Special thanks to Asif Pervez, Mark Tordoff and Simon Hatcher. For any information regarding to stock, please feel free to use the description below to find the link for Lucas Mercedes-Benz Wolverhampton. I have created a summary sheet which you might find useful. This shows what's standard and what are options on the Mercedes-AMG SL. Please find the link in the description below. This is the Mercedes-AMG SL 2022. This model that I'm showing you right now is the SL55, which has a 4-litre V8 twin turbo, which behaves like a naturally aspirated V8, which means no lag when accelerating. It's the first time you get 4MATIC Plus, which means you get all-wheel drive for the SL. You also get rear axle steering, which allows the car to have the short wheelbase to get out of tight spaces and has the comfort of a long wheelbase. This car soft top folds in 15 seconds and you can do it up to speeds of 37 miles per hour. How cool is that? You can also fold the sunroof using the key. Just hold down the lock button and then you get to see this amazing soft top closing in 15 seconds. Let's show you what the boot looks like when the roof is closed. So you can open the boot using the button here, or there's also a button just under here, which I'll pull. That releases the tailgate. And you can see it's a good amount of storage. Got your book back here. Some storage here by the looks of it. You have your speaker for your subwoofer. You've also got some space under here. To create more space, if I press this button, you'll see when the roof is closed, you get more space under the tray. And if you want to fold the sunroof, you'll need to make sure this is down, and then you can close the sunroof. This button to close the boot, this button to close the boot and lock the car. Nice and easy. You've also got a button inside the door which allows you to open the boot. This car is fully loaded and has parking sensors all around it, which means it can park itself as well. You also have 360 camera, which means there's cameras at the front, on the mirrors and at the rear, and that gives you a bird's eye view of the car. And you can even check certain parts of the car, which I'll show in a later video. I will do a separate video showing how to use the main features of this amazing Mercedes-AMG. So this car comes with electric folding door mirrors, but also you've got the automatic dipping mirrors. So this car comes as standard with digital light, which looks epic in the night. I'd love to show you this in the future. You have the amazing Pan America grille and a very aggressive design. Now moving to the bonnet, you have the amazing power domes, which gives it a really powerful look. And then you may notice there's no slots for the water to spray on. That is because this car's got magic wipers. Basically, the water will spray from the wipers onto the windscreen, and then that cleans the windscreen. You have the usual safety systems, such as active brake assist with intersection start-off function, lane keeping assist. You've also got blind spot assist. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of the styling of this amazing car? Do you think it's actually amazing? And what would you compare it to? Me personally, I love the styling of it. I do love these wheels that are on this car. I think it looks fantastic. When you look closer, you've got the AMG logo on the outside of the wheel, and you've got the red AMG brake calipers, which really looks amazing. Next, I'll just show you the rear alloy wheels. I just wanted to quickly show off the lights on this amazing car. These are the rear lights. Let me know, what do you think of the finish? I personally like them, as it looks like there's jewels inside the lights when you really look close. Now I'm just going to show you the front lights, which really looks shark-like and very sporty, I think. Because I recorded this video in the light, it's very hard to show the daytime running lights. Hopefully in the near future I can grab one of these so that I can try it out in the dark and drive it and see what it looks like on the road with the lights. Here I'm just pressing the unlock button and you can see the LED lights glowing up, both front and rear. Let me know in the comments, what do you think of these lights? I think Mercedes have stepped up their game. Now I just wanted to show you another cool feature. As you walk towards the car, you'll notice the door handles are actually flush with the car. As you get closer, as long as the key's in your hand, the door handles will actually pop out. I think Mercedes have done this for aerodynamic reasons, but I think it's just cool. And as you get closer, you'll notice the Mercedes-Benz lettering, and in the dark, these door handles do light up, which is very convenient. If the door handles are away, as long as the key is close to you, you can push the door handle like so, or you can actually lock the car like so by using the square sensor just there. Now let's check out this amazing SL. This car is really nicely spec'd. Please check out my summary guide, which you can find in the description below, which shows what options are available and what's a standard. Let's go inside. So you got the start switch here. We'll select OK here to get rid of this message. Put the ignition on by pressing it again. The ignition's on. Greeted to many screens switching on, including screens on the steering wheel. Let's put the car into Sport Plus. Let's start the car. It's a bit dark in there, but you can see the ambient lighting, which looks epic. You've got ambient lighting everywhere, really. What do you think of the finish of the carbon fibre? Also, I do love the finish on these Burmester surround sound speakers. The ambient lighting and the fans also looks really cool. Let's get some more light inside the car. Just put the ignition back on. Love that, the AMG logo. So I'll start the car and open the sunroof. I've got the 0 layer for the infotainment. You can change it to the classic look if you want to. Let's get some more light into the car. So you can swipe to open the amazing sunroof. You just have to hold it. I'll show you another way to do it. To reduce glare, let's just tilt the screen. Another way to tilt the screen is by pressing this button, and if you hold it, that will then operate the soft top. I think this would be the more convenient way to operate the soft top. If I can get my hands again on an SL, I'll probably try the Hey Mercedes function and see if that operates the soft top as well. The beep is to say that it's finished. Can do as well. If I want to drop all the windows, select this button, press any of the buttons, then all the windows will go down. It's quite cool. Let's show you what the car looks like with the sunroof down. How nice does that look? Passengers under 1.5 meters will fit comfortably in the rear seats, or you can use the rear seats as storage. So this car is a 2+2. Let's show you the rear, what that looks like. What you do is pull this lever and the seat will move forward. It's very practical. You got the ISOFIX, this nice comfortable armrest here, the lovely AMG mats, useful storage. One of my favorite features, sitting back inside, you've got controls to control the left side of the seat. What you do is tap and then tap the relevant areas of the seat and that will move. You've also got air scarf, which means the seats will blow out warm air around your neck to keep you warm. And on a cold day you can also put the heated seats on or the cooled seats, and these are memory seats as well. As well as that, you've got the heated steering wheel, which is nice on a cold day. You do get a lot of features as standard, including the electric memory seats, the Burmester surround sound speakers. You've got cruise control as well, so the functions are just here. You have digital radio. You get this amazing 11.9-inch MBUX multimedia display, sat-nav, with a fingerprint sensor. This screen also tilts 12 to 32 degrees. You get this digital instrument cluster driver display. I love the layout and design. It's all designed to prevent glare. The reason why this screen can be adjusted is to prevent glare. So you can just use the tilt function using the button here, or you can just do it like that and tilt it whatever angle you want. You do get Apple CarPlay, Android Auto as standard. Apple CarPlay is wireless. You've also got wireless charging here. You've also got USB-C ports, and then climate control functions are always displayed here. This nice little handrest. You can control the screen if you want to, and rest your arm there if you want to, or an area for your hand. Got some storage here with USB-C ports. Nice convenient light in there. Just moving to the passenger side, I just wanted to show the glove box. We got storage for a pen and a few loose items. You've got some storage here. The AMG illuminated door sills with the AMG floor mats. Oh, very convenient. You've got ISOFIX here as well. One of my favorite features is these screens on the steering wheel, and if I press this button, that will then open up the spoiler, which I'll show you now. Gives the car a really sporty look. Looks very aggressive like this. You can leave it up as well when the car is switched off. The spoiler will automatically go up and down when needed, but then you can do it manually if you want to have that more aggressive look while you're driving. Now let's show you the head-up display. Hope that's picking up on the camera. You got all these different options, which is really cool. If you want to, you can switch off the head-up display just like that. In my other video, I'll show you all these cool screens and what they do. Moving back to the screen, I believe this car's got the massage seats. Very cool. The 64 ambient lighting colors. And then you've got this, the Energizing Package Plus, which plays music and changes the light depending on the mood, which is very nice. You also do get gesture controls, so you can use your hand to control the volume rather than touching the screen. All you do is move your hand around just under the rear view mirror, and then that would control volume. You do get this amazing AMG track pace, which is a virtual engineer on the infotainment screen. This should only be used on a track. It gives you a lot of cool information while you're racing on a track. Thank you for watching, Hope you enjoyed this video. Check out my next video where I'll show you how to use the main features on this amazing Mercedes-AMG SL. And please subscribe for more content like this. Also, please like and share with anyone that you think would love to watch this video.